Here's a really quick tip if you're shipping on eBay and you want to protect your items. It's an electrical item right here. I'll put this in a medium flat rate box, pack it up with all the necessary items that I'd like, and a medium flat rate box fits perfectly inside of a large flat rate box. You can close this box up and put extra padding, and it'll have a lot more protection for your customer. I was going to send this flat rate large anyway for the most space, but rather than fill your entire box up with packing supplies, pack your original item and double box it, pack it again. You'll most likely never have a damaged item when it arrives to your customer. So you want to make sure you get 100% feedback, and you want to wrap up all your items really nicely so that your items are protected when they get to your customers. Double boxing is great because these boxes are free from the postal service. Normally these boxes will cost you like $3. That's the tip.